Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of CapCut. You will go to settings, you will go to settings here. In this page you will click on apps, then here you will search about CapCut app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.